Let's learn crypto arbitrage trading for a minute. If you didn't watch the morning arbitrage trading video, go and watch it right now. But I'll do a recap. We said you should be having a verified Binance account where you buy your assets at a lower price and sell them on Tranquilly at a higher price. So it is between centralized and a decentralized platform. So make sure your Tranquilly account is KYC verified and also funded. So I explained on how to fund your Tranquilly and how to get your arbitrage opportunities. So remember, you are trading crypto arbitrage trading, and make sure also you click the link in my bio. You join free classes and you learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading for free. So crypto arbitrage trading is basically very profitable. You just buy at a lower price in a centralized platform, sell at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So today we'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading, manual trading. That is, remember, it has two types of trading. That is, you can use trading bots or you can use P2P arbitrage, buying and selling. So you don't buy in the same platform, you use two platforms, and I already told you which platforms to use. So we'll be trading crypto arbitrage trading and receiving our assets in a internal wallet. So people are asking, in internal wallet, where do you get the address? You get it in deposit. You click USDT. If you are selling USDT, then you click continue. You enter any amount. This one is any amount. You click continue and you copy the address. Since I have already copied mine, let me go and copy it, then I show you. Let's continue with our arbitrage trading. I want to be very fast. I'll just come on the three dashes, then click on P2P arbitrage, and I'll be selling USDTs, but you can do it with other cryptocurrencies. So I'll be trading with 1,000 USDTs and receiving in internal wallet. Later I'll do a video receiving in an external wallet. So 1,000 will give us basically 1,166. So I'll just paste the address there. Then I review. After reviewing, this is what you'll get. You'll get the capital, the rate, and also the P2P fee. P2P fee is it's a basic thing. So you can see I'll be receiving 1,166 after P2P fee, which means my profit is 1,100. It is 166 USDTs. So I'll just confirm my trade, and remember, it is escrow protected, so there is no way you can lose your funds while trading in Tranquilly. So we wait for around 30 minutes, then you will get a green something here, green button that tells you to release. So you will click on release and you release your assets. If you want, you can watch my pinned video and learn more on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading. So that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading manually, receiving in your internal wallet. Don't miss